Hi guys, TFP Dad here, and I'm going to show you this amazing creation that was made by one of my friends, Titanic TFP.
That's right. It's really cool. I actually put Niagara Falls inside this rock. It says Niagara Falls, the same way as the bottom. And it has American Falls, Bottle Falls, and on the side here, there's Horseshoe Falls. And there's a little boat which makes you get wet. And then there's a little observation tower, which kind of looks like a bridge. And then there's that rainbow bridge.
And so the box is pretty special. I love it, but the most exciting part is what's inside.
That's right. It's my Niagara Falls model, which you've seen from my Niagara Falls videos. It kind of looks like a sock. I don't know why, but it looks like it.
Kinda. But if you look closely, you can see the different parts of Niagara Falls. So what we're zooming in on right there is that's America Falls.
American Falls.
America Falls, sorry.
Bartleville Falls. And there is the lunar island in the middle. And then there's a rock at the bottom, which you can find in actual Niagara Falls. There's the side of Goat Island, there's Cave of the Winds, and right there is Horseshoe Falls, and there's two boats. You're mostly used to the Canadian boat, and it goes under Horseshoe Falls, but there's also an American boat. And this is where you go into the boat, both of these actually. There's a little observation tower, there's Rainbow Bridge, and that's where you can view Niagara Falls. Right there is right behind the falls, and right there is the table box end too.
So I heard that some people are actually so lucky that they get to go on one of those boats and see these falls up close.
And it is kind of scary as well. Sometime in a Canadian boat, you can go under Horseshoe Falls, and it feels very scary. It feels like you're in rain. It feels like there's raining, but it's much crazy. It's like a thunderstorm.
Very cool.
And the border there's actually the border. So the border goes like this.
So which side's Canada and which side's the United States?
This is Canada right here. This is U.S. And the border goes like this. It slices through this part of Goat Island. I don't know why, but it is. And then it slices like that.
Okay. And so there's like some kind of tour where you go underneath the falls. What's that one called?
It's Journey Behind the Falls. I showed you it. It's right there.
Oh, so it's on Horseshoe Falls or on the American Falls?
It's right next to, I think it's Horseshoe Falls because I don't think you're supposed to go through borders to go through American Falls because this is located in Canada, not the USA. I didn't add any details inside of here, so that's why it looks like rock on the back side. But we mostly see it like this.
So how many different falls make up Niagara Falls? So there's American Falls.
Bridleville Falls.
And then Horseshoe Falls. Where's Bridleville Falls?
It's this little one right next to American Falls.
Oh, very cool.
Lunar Island right here separates them. There's also a little bridge on the top here, which I don't know what it's for.
Okay, so let's get a good view so we can actually see it from the bridge perspective, which is pretty sweet.
This is what it looks like. You can kind of see the Horseshoe Falls behind that. And this is it seen from the other side. And this is a good view of Horseshoe Falls.
Yeah, very
You can
nice.
kind of see it like that. And another thing special about this is that the underside is really cool. It just says Niagara Falls. It's actually the same lettering as the one here, just in different font. It's in my cool tutorial videos on how to make. I made some cool tutorial videos on how to make this cool Niagara Falls, which you can find on TitaniTFP, my YouTube channel, and some videos on different angles right here before TFP Dad's rated this one. And it shows different views and shows what different parts are, which you need to add. And there you go.
All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing creation by my friend Titanic TFP.
And also, there's some news here. And I think on June 15th, he's going to open a Harry Potter phone case. But right now, I just like to change it. Since I'm not into Harry Potter right now, I'm now used to Niagara Falls. So I use a clear phone case and just put Niagara Falls picture there. So that's why it looks different on my phone right now. And something special is that we're going to Rochester, New York, and also going to go in Niagara Falls, but only in the American side.
All right. Well, maybe we'll have some follow-up videos after that. Well, thanks everyone. Subscribe.
Now let's go. Niagara Falls goes inside, and let's put the lid on.
Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.